Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. So in today's video, we'll be solving the question 8 of the 2020 June WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions. So we begin with question 8a. A market woman purchased a number of plates for 150 Ghana cedi. 4 of the plates got broken while transporting them to her shop. By selling the remaining plates at a profit of 1 Ghana cedi on each, she made a total profit of 6 Ghana cedi. How many plates did she sell? So let's begin with the solution for question 8a. So a market woman purchased a number of plates for 150 Ghana cedi. First, we don't know the number of plates she purchased. So let's say, let the number of plates purchased be X. And then she bought it at 150 Ghana cedi. So that will be the cost price. So our cost price is 150 Ghana cedi. Now 4 of the plates got broken. So she sold the remaining plates. So remaining plates will be equal to the total number of plates she bought, which is X, minus the number of plates that were broken, which is 4. Now we are told that she made a profit of 6 Ghana cedi. Now we are told that she made a total profit of 6 Ghana cedi. So total profit, P total, is equal to Ghana cedi 600. And then the profit she made per plate is 1 Ghana cedi. So profit per plate is equal to Ghana cedi 1. Cost price per plate. If she bought the total number of plates for 150 Ghana cedi, so the cost price of the plates she bought is 150 Ghana cedis. And then she bought X number of plates. So the cost price for 1 plate will be 150 Ghana cedi divided by the total number of plates she bought, which is X. So cost price per plate will be Ghana cedi 150.00 divided by X. And then the selling price for 1 plate, so SP per plate, is equal to the selling price over the number of plates she sold. So selling price over the number of plates she sold is X minus 4. But we don't know the selling price. Now the selling price here is the total selling price. This selling price is the selling price of a plate. So we know that total profit is equal to total selling price minus total cost price. And the total profit is 6 Ghana cedi. So Ghana cedi 6 is equal to total, which we don't know. So let's say that one will be K minus this. The total cost price is 150.00. So in fact, let's represent this by K. So there's K. So our K will be equal to Ghana cedi 6 plus 150. So K will be equal to Ghana cedi 156.00. So then our total selling price is equal to 156 Ghana cedi. So then we can say that the selling price per plate, so our SP per plate will be equal to Ghana cedi, our total selling price, which is 156.00, over the number of plates we sold, which is X minus 4. So our profit per plate will be equal to our selling price per plate minus our cost price per plate. And our profit per plate is 1. Our selling price per plate is 156 over x minus 4. And our cost price per plate is 150 over x. So this will be 150 over x. Now to get rid of the fraction, we multiply through by our LCM. And our LCM here will be x multiplying x minus 4. So this can be written as 1 is equal to 156x minus 150x minus 600 all divided by x multiplying x minus 4. So this can be written as 1 is equal to 156x minus 150x plus 600 all divided by x multiplying x minus 4. Now we have 1 will be equal to, so 156x minus 150x is 6x plus 600 all over x multiplying x minus 4. Now to get rid of the fraction, we'll multiply through by x multiplying x minus 4. So we have x multiplying x minus 4 times 1 is equal to 6x plus 600 all divided by x multiplying x minus 4 times x multiplying x minus 4. Now this cancels this. You'll be left with 6x plus 600. And here we'll be left with x minus 4. So x multiplying x minus 4 is equal to 6x plus 600. Now when we expand this, we have x squared minus 4x is equal to 6x plus 600. So we move everything to the left hand side. We have x squared minus 4x minus 6x minus 600 is equal to 0. So when we simplify this, you have x squared minus 10x minus 600 is equal to 0. So we look for two numbers. When we multiply, we get negative 600. And when we add, we get negative 10. And that will be negative 30 and 20. So we have x squared minus 30x plus 20x minus 600 is equal to 0. Now we group this and this and this and this. So when we factorize, we get x multiplying x minus 30 plus 20 multiplying x minus 30. This will be equal to 0. So then we have x plus 20, x minus 30 is equal to 0. So we can say that x plus 20 is equal to 0 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. So we know x plus 20 is equal to 0 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to negative 20 and x is equal to 30. But we know that x is equal to the number of plates she bought. So let the number of plates purchased be x. So x is the number of plates purchased. But then the number of plates purchased cannot be negative. So we say, since the number of plates purchased cannot be negative, so we can say that x is equal to 30. Therefore, the woman purchased 30 plates. But we're told that 4 of the plates got broken during transportation. So the remaining plates will be equal to 30 minus 4. And that is equal to 26. So we are told that she sold the remaining plates. And so, therefore, the number of plates she sold is equal to 26. So the woman sold 26 plates. This brings us to the end of question 8A. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or problems, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. So we'll be moving on to question 8B. So question 8B. If 1 over 32, m, 1 over 8, n are in geometric progression, find the values of m and n. So let's begin with the solution for question 8B. We have 1 over 32, m, 1 over 8, and n. And we know since they are in a geometric progression, we have a common ratio, which is r. Okay, so for a geometric progression, if you have a, b, c, then c over a will be equal to b over a. So in this case, we can say that 1 over 8m, if we should just take this, we can say that 1 over 8m, so 1 over 8 divided by m should be equal to m divided by 1 over 32. So m divided by 1 over 32. Now 1 over 8 divided by m is the same as 1 over 8m. And then m divided by 1 over 32 is the same as 32m over 1. So when we cross multiply, we get 1 is equal to 256m squared. So we have 256m squared is equal to 1. So to find m, we divide here by 256, here by 256. So this cancels this. This brings us to m squared is equal to 1 over 256. But we need m, we don't need m squared. So here we take the square root of both sides. So this cancels this. Our m will be equal to square root of 1 over 256. Now this is the same as square root of 1 over square root of 256. The square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 256 is 16. So our m will be equal to 1 over 16. Now when we take this part, we can say that 1 over 8 divided by m. 1 over 8 divided by m is equal to n divided by 1 over 8. So it's equal to n divided by 1 over 8. But we know that 1 over 8 divided by m can be written as 1 over 8m. Is equal to n divided by 1 over 8 can be written as 8n over 1. But m is equal to 1 over 16. So we have 1 divided by 8 multiplying 1 over 16 is equal to 8n. So 8n divided by 1 is 8n. Now 8 goes into 16 two times. So we have 1 divided by 1 over 2 is equal to 8n. Now 1 divided by 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 1 is equal to 8n. So 2 over 1 is the same as 2 is equal to 8n. To find n, we divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 8. So we divide here by 8, here by 8. 8 cancels 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So our n will be equal to 1 over 4. So therefore, our m is equal to 1 over 16 and n is equal to 1 over 4. So this brings us to the end of question 8b and the end of question 8. So in our next video, we'll be solving the question 9 of the 2020 Core Maths WASSCE theory questions.